Students often ask me how to write the purpose statement. In this lecture, I am going to explain about the purpose statement and different type of the purpose statement. So, the purpose statement is usually written in a single sentence or a paragraph, clearly and briefly state in the intent of your study what exactly you are going to find it. It represents the essence of your study and reflect its parameter. The purpose statement, according to Criswell, is the most important statement in entire study, and it indicates to be clearly and specifically presented. The purpose is clarified when you specify the variable or concept under your study and indicate whether your study is descriptive in nature or whether it is a relationship or different study. In any one study, you may find one or more of these three types of measurement. Now, I would like to explain the purpose study with example. So, first example is a purpose study is in a descriptive form, and you can write it like this. The purpose of this study was to determine which strategy principle used to implement shared decision making in selective elementary school and to determine how effective they were perceived to by the principal, a teacher, and a parent at each side. So this is the example of descriptive study for how to write the purpose. Example 2. A purpose study in relationship can be written as the purpose of this study was to identify the relation between perceived effectiveness of teacher work team and teacher emotional need. So example 3 is the purpose study in a different study. The purpose of this study was to determine whether there is a significant difference between the limited English speaking high school student attending year-round school and limited English proficiency student attending traditional high school in the area of student attendance, student grade point average, student academic achievement as measured by unit earned toward graduation, and student oral English language acquisition as measured by language assessment survey. So this is the example of the purpose study. Now there is another example, and that is a purpose statement in a difference and relation study, and it can be written as the purpose of this study was to determine the difference between public and non-public school education principal and teacher of student with severe emotional disturbance on their relationship orientation. It also determined whether relationship exists between these leadership orientation and variable of school success as measured by student absenteeism, suspension, explanation, and teacher absenteeism. It is another example of purpose statement in a descriptive and different study, and it can be written as the purpose of this study was to describe the collective bargaining procedure used by selected community college, district, and the climate of the college. It was also the purpose of this study to describe difference between a population with training in non-adversarial collective bargaining strategy and a population without training a collective bargaining strategy. So these are the example of how can the PhD MPhil scholar can write the purpose of the study. It is important to realize the purpose statement vary according to specialized research design. A qualitative purpose study used words drawn from the special line of inquiry and often reflect the procedure of emerging design format. Sometimes qualitative research use words such as intent, aim, objective to draw attention to their study intent. Examples that illustrate the difference qualitative, quantitative and mixed method purpose study can be found in various research, and for this purpose I recommend you the Crisfield books of qualitative, quantitative and mixed method approach because this book has explained clearly the different type of study. I hope that you have understand the concept and how to write the purpose study and what's the different type of purpose study.